My name is Yibarbuk, and I'm a chair of ICIN, co-chairs, and the chair of Warddeken Land Management. This is something that we never expected, territory, I suppose, and in our community as well. This is something that we've now seeing the strength of our ranges, of our communities within the Northern Australia coming together and being a part of it, storytelling, how they work and how we work, how we manage and how they manage. This is something that's homegrown projects that came about, and now we've been very, very active in managing our fire, our animals, our people, our landscape as well. And now each year we're seeing the numbers is growing, escalating more numbers and higher. That's because the people are really interested. They want to come and share their stories. This is the largest numbers we've had, and hoping for next time that we are thinking that there could be more. Our scientists here, hearing our stories, because we're talking about their success, giving us something that we never expected. And now we're working together to see our country to become, managed in the way that it should be. This program has become a really, really unique to our understanding. We need to tell a lot of stories while we still exist. The elders are still around. The legends that we have, the stories that we have. When we come to this sort of forum, people are hearing our voice and our stories. Our governments, our scientists, our communities rely on us doing a better jobs, better fire management on our landscape. The reason for that, we need to protect our guardians, our trees, our animals. When we're doing this fire management, we could see the evidence of the numbers of the birds and animals that come in bird on the landscape. Our land and our fruit started to develop a good fruit trees. We're transitioning our knowledge to other countries, so they could also be a part of it. The story that would give them a strength as well, so they can talk to their people, talk to their government, of what's been happening and what they want to do in their own country. It is very, very great privilege having these international people coming in. We're sharing those visions and stories. For them, they have never experienced these sorts of things. International Fire Forum here is bringing in a lot of people. Our stories are captured internationally and nationally in Australia as well. We need a very, very best resources. Work with it. Work with the new ideas of how to prevent the hot wildfires occurring. Not just for our benefit, for our landscape benefit, for our fruit trees, for our animals, for our people doing our ceremonies and all that. Coal burning is the answer to our country. Our people was used to manage the coal burning for decades and decades and decades. It is very, very important, that this message across. For them, this is something that new experience, new ways, new learn. They need to talk to their government. Our media as well. Medias are one of those key areas where they can get this message across to their own countries and the people that they found something in Australia, and this would give them better opportunity as well. By producing carbon in their country, that'll give an extra funding for their people as well. Setting up their own land management, setting up their own practices as well. They had those practices before, but now things went not there no more, and I want to bring back those culture again. For me, I want to see my children, in the long run, have a better education, doing the fireworks and stuff, having able to fly the choppers or able to fly, drone or whatever. There's a classic example that people are doing right now. They're really excited, the young ones. We want our children to start listening, learning. In this space, is a place where they could come and listen and learn. At home as well, they can sit down and listen to their elders and their friends and their organization about coming here and observing it, taking a good stories back in their own land, in their own country, and make it, them kids are, it's their future from now on.